Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. We've got a natural remedy for skin tag remover 1. Start by cleaning the skin tag and the surrounding area with mild soap and water. Pat it dry gently. 2. Soak a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar, ensuring it's saturated but not dripping. 3. Place the soaked cotton ball on the skin tag and secure it with a band-aid. Leave it on for 15–30 minutes, depending on your skin's sensitivity. The acidity of the apple cider vinegar works to break down the tissue of the skin tag. 4. After the recommended time, remove the cotton ball and rinse the area with water. Pat it dry thoroughly. 5. Now, apply a drop of tea tree oil directly onto the skin tag. This essential oil has natural antibacterial properties that can aid in preventing infection.